In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 ways in which you can make money online, even if you are broke, even if you are a complete beginner. Everything is going to be on this video. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways in which you can start earning money online. This is something that it do have the potential to replace a full-time job, or it can give you some extra income. Just in case that you don't know, but at the beginning when I restarted my online business back in 2018, I was broke. I suffered a huge scam before. So I have 2 full-time jobs and I barely made it, to the end of the month. So I was looking for a different way to make money online. Well, you know, since you have 2 jobs, you don't have a lot of time. So let me share with you these 3 ideas so you can know how to get started. Let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are going to be on the same page. Okay, these are going to be complete beginner friendly. And these are also going to be friendly even if you are broke and you're like, hey, I don't have too much to invest, but I really want to make it happen. I know there are people out there who are crushing it, who are making money online. It's actually possible. Well, let me tell you that yes, it is actually possible. The very first way in which you can actually earn money online is by selling digital products. I know there are tons of products out there, physical products. If you go to Amazon, they do have tons of products in different categories in all this stuff. But the thing is that you need to understand that there is, a cost involved. Okay. There is a cost involved if you want to sell a digital product. Okay. If you want to sell a digital product, there is a cost involved. And sometimes, for example, you can go ahead and you can sell a digital product. In this case, it's going to be an ebook. So you don't need to be dealing with, publishers, pre-order your books, put them on bookstores and all this stuff. No, you can actually sell it on demand. And the profit margins are way higher than if you actually use your own ebook, if you actually publish your own book. Okay. And you can actually sell like any kind of information. It can be a webinar, it can be a mini course, it can be a workshop. Okay, you name it. There are tons of opportunities out there. If you are interested in selling them, well, you can go and you can put it on Gumroad. Okay, you can go to gumroad.com and you can put it actually here. Even if you have the possibility to build your own software, you can do it here. Also, there is a tool that I really like and really enjoy. It's System.io. You can actually put your your digital product here. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can create your free account. And also, there are other tools like Kajabi and all this stuff. So this is actually the very first way to earn money online. It's by selling a digital product. Okay, just to put into perspective. Let's say that you have a physical product, okay? And the cost of that product is $100. Since there is also, some charge involved, maybe you pay $50 to make it done. So your profit is going to be $50. But if you have a digital product and the cost is $100, literally most of the time, just to create this, I don't know, this ebook, this course, there's workbook, and so other. The course to create it is actually zero. So there is a huge profit margin. Okay. So take that into consideration. Okay. What else you can do? Well, you can run a YouTube channel. Okay. You can also run a YouTube channel. This YouTube channel can be faceless if you want. Okay. That's why I put it here in parentheses. Because I know that there are people out there who are like, well, and I know you're in front of camera, but that's actually not what I'm looking for. Or I can't be in front of camera for whatever reason. Okay. You can go and you can create a YouTube channel. It's 100% free. Everybody will have access to your content. And one cool thing about the YouTube channel is like what you mean when once you met the criteria, you're going to be earning money from YouTube month after month after month after month. So that's actually really cool. That's actually really, really amazing. You can use a tool such as Tube Magic that is going to help you, with your YouTube channel. Okay. You can use it to create your scripts. There are tons of great features. Okay. So you can do the optimization, the video research, and everything that you need. Okay. So actually, this is a great tool. It's called Tube Magic. Okay. It's an AI tool. Really, really, really amazing AI tool. You can also use ChatGPT to create your script. Okay. That's another tool that you can actually use to create your script. If you want, you can record your own voice. Let's say that you're doing a faceless channel. Okay, or you can use a tool such as play.ht to generate AI voices. Okay, this is a great, great tool that you can actually use. Is for whatever reason you cannot record your own voice, and it is actually available in different languages. Okay, so this is play.ht for those who are like, well, this sounds like a great option, but again, this can be faceless, or if you don't have any kind of problem showing your face, that's also a great idea. That's actually the way I have been developing this main channel, by showing my face. But I know and I understand that, there are people out there who cannot do it. And this is also a great way in which you can drive traffic to sell your own digital product. Okay, this is actually a great way in which you can sell your own digital product, because this is something that we call evergreen traffic. That means that once you upload a video on YouTube, that video is going to be there forever, and it's going to be, running 24/7. While in other platforms like this short form content on Instagram, TikTok, okay, those videos die and that's it. Okay, here is it's a search engine, so people are going to be looking for that information. Okay, and one cool thing about YouTube, this is actually the third way in which you can actually earn money. It's by adding links. Okay, but not any links. Okay, these are what we call affiliate links. So you can promote other people, products, and services in the description. Where you can find these products? Well, you can find them on ClickBank. Okay, you can go and you can click here where it says affiliates. Okay, and you can start promoting these products. Okay, this can be, again, physical products. This can be digital products. I already explained, some of the difference about promoting one or the other. You can also go to Digistore24 and you can do the same. You can promote other people's products and services. There are others like JBSU, Warrior Plus, Commission John, um, you know, other private products as well that you can start and you can keep promoting. By the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this and you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit notification bell. But these are actually three ways in which you can actually earn money online. Again, even if you're broke, even if you're a complete beginner, this is something that you can start for free. This is something that you can use AI nowadays to create everything. Okay. And it can help you. Okay. So this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the very next video.